let us take up another example. Here it is saying in the system shown in figure, block A is pulled toward right at 5 meters per second and we are required to find the speed of this block B. We can say as A is going toward right at 5 meters per second, B will also move along with A to the right, toward right at 5 meters per second. Along with this rightward motion, B will also move up because these all strings are pulled along with the motion of A. Here we can say if the block A moves toward right by a distance x, we can see all these strings which are connected to the block will be pulled by a distance x. So there are, you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strings. So we can say the string length will be increased by 6x. So we can say block B goes up by a distance y. Here we can simply write y is equal to 6x. Once again, let's analyze this expression. As these strings are connected to block and pulley, if block will move toward right by x, all these horizontal strings will be pulled toward right by x. So in this situation, the total length of a string from this point O to this point O dash will be increased by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will be increased by 6x. And to provide this length of a string, B has to move up by the same distance. So we can say if B is displaced up with the distance y, we can write y is equals to 6x. So this will be the constraint relation in the motion of A and B. This relation will get differentiation of y. We can write that velocity of block B is equals to 6 times velocity of block A. As block A is moving toward right, the direction in which it is being displaced is 5 meters per second, that is 6 into 5, that is 30 meters per second. So this is the velocity with which block B is going in upward direction. So if we wish to find out the net velocity of block B, here we can say velocity of block B in x direction is exactly the same as that of VA, that is 5 meters per second. And this VB can be written as VBY because this is the velocity with which block B is going in upward direction. So net velocity of block B can be written as root of VBX square plus VBY square. And this will give us root of VBX square is 25 plus square of 30 will be 900. So we can say the velocity of block B in this question we are getting is root 925 meters per second. This is the answer to this question.